Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm kneeling down behind Juliet because there's only one chair in this hotel room, and we're still at the NEC show. And yesterday we were filming our main video, but this is a little extra, and it's based on the fact that Juliet kept saying,
"Oh, that's new. Oh, I've not seen that."
So that's what the theme is. We'll see you at the show.
Hi, I'm James from Telta. I'm excited to announce that Telta are here with their biggest stand yet at the Motorhome and Caravan show at the NEC this October event. We've got a range of products on the stand and we've expanded our touring area. We've also got a new residential fabric for next year, so we're doing porch awnings and fore awnings in residential for permanent pitch. And I'm really excited to announce that we've got something different here at Telta. We've expanded our lightweight awning range, so we've had the really popular Sky Canopies and Sky Links, but now we've got a lightweight awning called the Telta Pace. The Telta Pace uses our fantastic 210 ripstop polyester, and what we have here, it uses all Telta's design language with upright design, big windows, big doors and everything. And we've achieved this by using a lightweight, larger diameter aluminium frame. All the panels are removable, so it's easy to set up and everything. So we have a range of sizes available in the Telta Pace range. There's a 260, so that's 2.6 meters wide. There's a 330, so 3.3 meters. And there's a 390 size, so 3.9 meters. They all come with a standard depth of 2.5 meter. And because of the upright design, there's loads of usable space inside the awning. And it's the price of these now, which is really excellent value for money now. So with the 260 size, that is going to be £549. For the 330 size, that's £624. And then for the big 390 size, that's £674. So if you come into the show, come see us in Hall 17, stand 39, or go on our website where you can find your local showroom and Telta dealer, and this will be out for 2026. So along with a fantastic awning range now at Telta in lightweight, touring and residential, we're expanding into some other awning accessories as well. So we have a brand new windbreak for 2026, and this is a very versatile, customizable windbreak. So what we have here is that we have a 3-panel windbreak. So 3 panels, it's 4.5 meters long. Okay, nice and tall, so if you're in sitting in a chair, even it's going to be above head height just to keep the breeze off you there as well. But we also have a nice window throughout, and this is made out of the same breathable fabric of what our awnings are, so they will match Telta awnings. So we have a 3-panel here. There is also a 1-panel, and brand new of what we have here is the door, which also has a gate feature to it. So that can be simply zipped. It can actually open both ways, and it can open from both sides, so you can zip that closed. And or if you are just in and out of the windbreak, there's a little ringlet there which can be just secured temporarily just to kind of close the windbreak off as well. So there's a 3-panel, there's a door, and there's a 1-panel all coming out for the 2026. There's also a vehicle connecting strip as well, which you can actually connect the windbreak to the Caravan to create a little bit more of an enclosure as well. So this is going to be at the NEC. Taking pre-orders on it, and will be available in the 2026 assortment.
Good day and welcome once again to Falcon Technology. Now today we're going to talk about internet, but of course as technology moves forward, discussions 4G. When's 5G going to give us full coverage? Well, 5G is being rolled out just like 4G got rolled out whilst 3G was covering the whole country. Well, now 2G is gone and 3G is going, and of course 4G has full coverage. We've got to consider preparing for the full coverage of 5G. So as a company, we have to give you the product to make sure that you've got all your options available to you should you wish to choose something and future-proof your investment. We've been speaking to Phil, and Phil's been playing with the Falcon 4G combo, and it's a great product. And who knows how long 4G is going to be about. But if you're considering an internet system, then welcome to the 5G family. So 5G will fall back to 4G. So in other words, should you go to a camping environment and there is no 5G there yet, don't worry, because 5G will drop down to 4G. So you're still going to get that great service. But in 2 or 3 years' time, and you did buy a 4G product, and now 4G is gone, of course, unfortunately, you've lost your investment. So by buying a 5G product, it protects you from that situation. And of course, when it arrives, you've got faster internet as well. So we've got two solutions, very, very popular. One's called the Evo Mobile Deluxe, which is a plug and play solution. And then we've also got the Evo Flex, which is a fitted system, but gives you some mobile options. So I'll start off with the Evo Mobile Deluxe first. Similar to the combo, the antenna simply goes out the window. Now, the antenna itself, of course, is 5G and 4G compatible. It's got 4 meters of cable. It's got fixing mounts, magnet or suction cup. Now, of course, if you want to, you can have the suction cup on the back so you can suck it onto a window, or you can have the magnet on the base and you can magnetize it to the bonnet of the van. Now, if you want to put it on the side of the van, and you might have a little bubble effect, so the suction cup's not going to work and it's not magnetic, in the kit also comes a magnetic base plate here with self-adhesive. You can apply that in the position where you'd like to put it, and hey presto, it goes like so. It comes, of course, as per usual, with all the carry case. Everything goes in there nice, neat and tidy. Otherwise, if you're looking for a fitted solution, then you've got the Evo 5G. Now, that gets fitted. Advantage of a fitted solution is this: boosted internet when you're en route to your destination. When you arrive at the campsite, no need to set it up, it's already on the roof. Should you go for a walk and leave that out, that could go for a walk as well. But fitted to the roof, nobody's going to take it. Of course, nothing to pack away. On the roof, better position to receive signal. Does cost a little more because you've got the labour element of the installation, but the point being, at the end of the day, it's a choice thing. Nice thing about this product as well is you've then got the flexibility of just the router. Unlike many manufacturers who fit the router to the van, this router goes portable. So your investment is not just for the caravan benefit, you can also take this away with you. You can have it in the car for the kids. You can take it to work with you. It can be on the train with you. This is our Falcon Mobile 5G router. Now, as well, new technology has arrived. Traditional SIM cards are required for typical routers, and this will take a traditional physical SIM from your phone, from the shop, from online. So the new technology with this router is eSIM. eSIM, electronic SIM. So, example, we have a physical SIM in here. It's a UK eSIM. It's done us really well around the UK, but now we're going to go to France. Now, of course, because of issues due to Brexit, the gigabyte package that you're on may change. So now you're in France, why not pick up a French SIM card? Well, with an eSIM, there is no need to go to the shop. Let's go online, let's look for eSIMs, well, let's purchase online, get your purchase code, simply enter it, done. So, no need to travel to a supermarket. Difficult really to receive a physical SIM by post when you're camping and you're moving from place to place. But let's say you're in Scotland. Now we're in Scotland, yes, we've got a UK SIM card, but now, let's say we're with Vodafone and we're in Aberdeen somewhere, signal's not great, but your neighbour's got great signal with EE. What do? Again, we go online, we then make a purchase of a SIM card, like the EE one, and now we can again load the code in, and now we're back with boosted internet. So portable, eSIM, and the speed of this router is 3,400 megabits per second. It's like a Ferrari by comparison to 4G. So that router can go with your portable system, or it can go with your fitted system. Now on the Flex, just to finish off, if you buy the Flex with this system, you've got the router mobile, you've got the router in your mobile home, but now should we decide to go on holiday, you've now in the Flex, you also get the portable antenna. That's why we call it the Flex, flexibility. Your internet system, not just for your mobile home, but your mobile life. Life made easy by Falcon Technology.
Good morning, I'm Peter from ProTech, and this is our new premium towing jacket. The new features, as you can probably see straight away, is that we're not using the traditional Protect fabric. We're now using a padded leatherette style fabric, which gives you 5mm worth of padding. Also, with the new padded premium towing jacket, you'll see that we've also got zips down the side, as well as the traditional one in the centre. As always, they are made to measure for each make and model, making sure that you've got your light apertures exactly where they need to be, as well as your grab handles. Unlike older towing jackets where you would have several buckles, this one only has the one buckle that goes from the offside to the near side underneath your A-frame. One buckle, that's it. At the bottom as well, like our traditional towing jacket, we've got the little hooks on elastic that clip underneath. This is available from our website for £490. Order from today. Thank you very much.
Good morning, my name is Liz Colleran and I'm the Sales and Marketing Director for Duvalet, and we make all these really comfortable sleep products for the leisure industry that improve the sleep and will dramatically change, some of them will dramatically change the seats into beds. So we've got the Duvalet sleeping bag, and that is available in a wide choice of colours. We've got some exciting new colours that have just come in and we're launching them at the show. So we've got the sage green, which is a lovely green. It goes with a lot of the new interiors of the van. We've got a mocha, which is proving really, really popular. And my favourite is the stone. But we've also got all these, this is new as well. That one is terracotta. And then this is an all-time favourite, the cappuccino. But we do all these colours as well. If you don't want the Duvalet, which most people really do like the Duvalet because there's no drawbacks to it, you're not constricted like a traditional sleeping bag. But if you don't want the Duvalet, some people just want the toppers. And everything that we make is really easy to use as well. So it's not just about improving your sleep quality, it's about the ease of use. So you simply roll them up, sleep on them, roll them out, sleep on them and roll them away. And again, these will dramatically transform the seats into very comfortable beds. So we've also got the mattresses that come in a wide selection of qualities. We've got the ultralight mattress that goes in all the Swift Caravans, that's really popular. We've got the memory foam and we've got the cooling gel mattress. But these are our most popular mattresses. As you can see, this couple are trying them straight first thing Friday morning, and I'm presuming they're liking them. I love it. So yeah, so come down to the stand and have a look.
Hi, I'm Lance, Marketing Director for Diamond Bite, and we're here at the 2025 Motorhome and Caravan Show on stand 8.04, and we're showing off some of our aftercare products, as well as our nano ceramic and our ceramic paint protection. So you can see a selection of our best-selling aftercare products here. We've got the Graphene Pro Detailer, which is a detailing wax you'd lose after the Caravan or Motorhome is dry. The last thing you do, and it keeps it shiny, and the more you use it, it builds up a layer of protection, which means the dirt and the muck sit on top of the protection and not eat into the paint. Ceramic glaze does a similar job, just doesn't last quite as long, probably lasts about 3 months as against 6. And then you've got an interior trim enhancer for your vinyl and your plastic, so things like steering wheel, dashboard, that kind of thing. Window cleaner is, I would say, well, one of our best products. It's a no smear, spray on, wipe on off product. Everybody that uses it says it's absolutely phenomenal and the best glass cleaner they've ever used. So you can't say fairer than that. And we also do this product here. This is our Express Wash and Wax. So the important thing about this is it's a waterless product, so you don't need a hose. And if the panel is dirty, it will clean it and it won't scratch. The important thing is it does not scratch, because the chemicals within it pull the dirt away from the surface, so the dirt doesn't scratch when you polish it. This is our Graphene Pro Detailer. So this is the last thing you do after the Caravan or Motorhome is clean and dry, and you just simply spray it on like that and wipe it off with a clean microfiber cloth. And what that does is it leaves us a layer of graphene paint protection on the paintwork, which will last up to about 6 months. If it's used on top of our paint protection, we do a ceramic and a nano ceramic paint protection, both with lifetime guarantees, and this is the product you would use to maintain it. And you put it on probably every 6 months. Simple, as you can see, just a simple wipe and spray on, wipe off. That's it.
Well, folks, that's it. We've finished at the NEC. It's been tiring, but we've enjoyed it, haven't we?
It has. It's been really good.
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it.
Some nice, interesting new products that are coming out for 2026 that hopefully we may be taking a look at. You never know. And also, Juliet's been spending again.
I have. I bought some few bits and pieces that I needed.
Yep. They'll come out in a video later on in the season. But thanks very much for watching. We do hope you'll join us again real soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.